Good day to you. I am here doing this review unboxing on one of these little signature things that go inside of your scrapbooks. And here's how the kit comes. These, I got them from the Temu. I've not seen them anywhere else, but I haven't really looked that hard. I got these just by chance and had a great time making them. I did make a video prior to this one, so I think this time I'm going to be a little more detailed than the last one. You know, which you're going to make something kind of like this. And they have 4 different ones, you know, the story time, autumn memories, and time. This one I haven't finished yet over here, but they're basically all the same with these little flip things. You flip through them. You could put them all or put whatever ones you want to put. Then you have little pockets here. These little pockets are cool. And then over here is where you put your big, like, pocket. And then that, like I said, I haven't finished that one yet. Let's see, this one's got, oh shoot, here we go. This one is got a couple of pockets I put in it, as you can see. I put little things in it, little ticket things. It comes with everything you need except for glue. It comes with little tape. It comes with everything. And I think it's really a great thing for a beginner or even someone who's more familiar with scrapbooking. Any way you look at it, it's a lot of fun. So today I have my glues. I got 2 kinds of glue. I would suggest using like stick glue or even possibly some spray adhesive, but you use a brush to spread it around. That would be a good idea. I brought the scissors so that I can cut the tape if need be, or the string. But this is it. This is the steampunk one. And I think it has a great presentation considering it was shipped from China all the way to here. And it made it in such great condition. I mean, that's amazing, I gotta say, on their part. So here we go. Let's open this bitch up. And there it is. See that? I'm gonna let this stuff fall out. Just like... Here we're gonna start with just the folder. It's not folded in any way. It's just itself, regular itself. And like I said, it comes with a little tape. It's cute. They give you plenty of tape. I had plenty left over. Here's the little non-adhesive little tickets it gives you to put in the pockets and whatnot. And then here's everything. Now, I would strongly suggest putting the little labels on. I would strongly suggest, like I was saying, when you make these labels on these little, I don't know what you call them. They're not pockets, but little flaps. I would say putting these on before you put them on here is a good idea. I learned that from experience. It's just a little bit easier. And two, I noticed the corners on some of them are different. So you might want to try to match them up as best as possible, you know, as you can. I've just found this to be quite interesting, and believe it or not, there was no tutorials of any kind or instructions of any kind that came with it, so you're kind of on your own with it. You just have the picture that they give you when you buy it on the Temu. So, get started here. I got them done now. Now, I put these on, and notice I tried to go make them all as even as possible. Even when I did these ones, I did them kind of opposite of each other. So I'm going to stagger them when I glue them on. And you don't have to have one of these, but it just helps. I used a bone folder to crease these in. Well, they're already creased. They come with a little crease right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. But they do come creased, and that makes things really a lot easier. Like the pockets, these are nice. Just take them, fold them into crease, and with the bone folder, like so. And these particular ones go in order on the actual inside of the folder. So, I mean, you can put them however you want, you know, but this is just suggested, the way that they have it, what they made it for. And as you can see, it was worked out before. This one I didn't do so well at. That was my first one. These are all uneven and blah. You know, I put these on the edge so they ended up curling around. This one just didn't come out so good. It's easy to take them off though, and I can redo them at some point. And I plan on it, so. But I was waiting for these guys to dry, but in the meantime, I'll show you. I take one of these, and I just put a little bit of glue, not much. But I do put enough glue to hold it for sure. I try to smear it around, make sure it doesn't like out of the side of it, you know. And I'm just going to use the edge here as the guideline. Make sure it's not upside down. Yeah, always make sure it's not upside down. I've done that before. And here's our guideline. Yeah, this fold. I didn't fold this yet, but I'm going to. I guess right now I'll do it. Got the bone folder here. I like this bone folder. These are very, very inexpensive tools. I think you can get 2 or 3 of them for $1. I know that's probably what I paid for them. But they do have guidelines, and I'm not sure what all that's for, but it does help when you're making creases, like so. And there we go. And this one is, let me make sure he's even before I show you. Yeah, this guy's good. I want to put him a little bit centered more. Right there. Right there. See? And that little pocket can be used to put little papers or whatever in it. Steampunk related stuff. I think it's cool. And then that's when you decide how you want to do these. If you're going to have them every other one. Like, I put these ones on the bottom of it. These ones are on the top. So do I want to stagger these, you know? I'm thinking so. So that's just pretty much how I'm going to do these. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, I am just now finishing up with these middle pockets. I've got these guys on. And these ones keep wanting to pop off, but that's okay. They're going to get a little drier, and they'll eventually stay on like they always do. I just want to make sure I keep these guys straight over here, not going over the edge, because that's when they'll end up bending and getting crappy looking. And making sure no glue leaks. But yeah, you don't want to put anything obviously in the pockets until they're completely, you know, dry or whatever. And it is kind of hard to get them all perfect, but I'm trying to do my best at it. And I did use the bone folder to make the creases so that they're properly made. But this guy right here is just being a pain in the arse for me today. And there. There's always going to be one or two that gotta be a pain and not want to go with the program. Like this one right here. Just doesn't want to go with the program. So you gotta kind of reform it there to make it go with the program, right? You know what I'm talking about, right? But yeah, these are like really awesome things to do. They're a great gift. I mean, I'd be stoked if somebody gave me one of these. And I never did them before because super cool, interesting, new thing to try. And you definitely will know if you like scrapbooking or not. There's no stickers involved. You adhere everything yourself. So it gives you more so control over your decor. Some people I've seen on the thing, they had put these further apart. And I didn't use all of them either. But this is how I got this one so far. These guys need to be stuck down. And nice and even. But yeah, I mean, hopefully I remember to leave a link to these guys in the description, and you can pick up a couple of your own. They're just over $2. They're a lot of fun. I mean, just for a couple of bucks. And at the end, you end up having a really cool, like, decor thing you made. And you could say it's 100% handmade because it is. You made it. And it's good. I mean, it's almost, I can't say it's fuck up proof, but it's close to it. I mean, you still can fuck it up. Don't get me wrong. Like I did with the first one I did, you know. This one is not ideal. But I went from this to this, so sometimes it takes a little practice. And people like me, sometimes it takes a little more practice than the average bear. But all in all, I give this totally give this 5 stars. It's just so much fun. I greatly enjoyed it, and I really enjoyed sharing it with you. And I hope that you enjoy doing it, and I hope you go ahead and click below. I get no earnings from this. This is all voluntarily made, so I hope you're able to pick these up. And if you have any questions, go ahead and comment below or message me. It's all the same, but pretty easy. Kids could do it, grown-ups could do it, all ages. And you can also add your own stuff to it, your own stickers or non-adhesive thingies. So I'm going to let this guy dry before I put the other pocket and go ahead and finish him up, and then figure out what to do with these guys, what book to put them in or how to put them in. I might bind them into a book. I don't know yet. We'll see. But till then.